Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm cooking a chicken dish that my own kids requested. They're both living away from home and have been asking me how to cook this dish. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, you're going to need some garlic and some onion and some sugar or raw honey or maple syrup. It's up to you, whichever one you want to use. And we're going to need some soy sauce with sesame oil back there and some chicken. I've gone ahead and minced some garlic and sliced some onions. And the potatoes and carrots are optional. You can put as much as you want or a little if you want. This is another optional vegetable that you can add. Red bell peppers, you can add green bell peppers or even yellow ones. And the size that you want to cut is up to you as well. One other option is to put it way at the end or marinate it with the rest of the vegetables. It's assembly time, and this is when you can start putting your garlic in and your onions and all the different kind of vegetables. I've made two packages, one for my son to take with him to college and one for our family members who are still at home. Now it's time to put the carrots and the potatoes inside each of the packages. Once again, carrots, you can also buy the whole carrot and slice them up yourself that way. I just wanted to make it simpler on myself and buy the baby carrots that are already peeled. And potatoes, you can use any kind of potatoes. You can use russet potatoes. Once again, it was just my choice to use the red ones because it's easier. I don't have to peel them. I can just dice them and put them in. For the sauce, you can use 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and any kind of vinegar. Then you just start pouring as much as you want. If you like it really salty, you have the option of adding a little bit more. And if you like yours more mild, you can only put 1 cup, and that should be enough. Then you want to seal the Ziploc bag really well because you'll be shaking it up in a little while, and make sure all the air is out so you don't pop the Ziploc bag. And see how I'm rotating it around so that the sauce kind of goes all over and marinates it really well. And what I usually do is I like to marinate this for at least 3 hours in the refrigerator and rotate it every so often. But for me, I left mine overnight and cooked it the next day, so that's all ready for me and our family to eat it for dinner. So here are my marinated bags, and I had actually marinated 3 different bags the night before, and I just took it out of the refrigerator. And best way to cook this is in a pot. I'm using a wok so that you guys can see what's going on. So now that I'm putting the marinated chicken inside the pot, I'll turn on the fire to medium-high until it starts boiling, and I see that the chicken is almost cooked. And then I will lower the heat to medium setting. And my son just asked me the other day, how do you know when this dish is all done? And I told him that when you see that the chicken is turning opaque color and the potatoes and the carrots are tender, that's kind of when you know that it's all done.